In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Safari not saving my passwords. First, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You will find this app on your device's home screen. It looks like a gear icon. Tapping on it will take you to your device's configuration options. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled General. This section contains many important system settings. Tapping on General will lead you to further options that manage your device's performance and functionality. This is crucial because we need to ensure that the AutoFill feature is properly configured to save your passwords. Now that you are in the general settings, look for AutoFill and passwords and select it. This section is where you can manage how Safari handles your passwords and personal information. Upon entering, you will see options related to AutoFill, including a toggle for autofill passwords and passkeys. Make sure this toggle is turned on. When enabled, this feature allows Safari to automatically fill in your passwords when you visit websites. It streamlines the login process and enhances your browsing experience. With autofill set up, let's move on to check your iCloud settings. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on your name at the top. This will bring you to your Apple ID settings. From here, navigate to iCloud. It's essential to ensure that your passwords are syncing correctly across your devices. Once you are in the iCloud settings, locate the option for passwords. Tap on it to confirm that password syncing is enabled. This ensures that any password saved on one device will also be available on any other devices linked to your iCloud account. Next, it's important to ensure that you are not using private browsing in Safari. Safari's private browsing mode prevents the browser from storing any passwords, cookies, or browsing history. To check if you're in private browsing, open Safari and look at the bottom of the screen. If you see a dark interface, you are in private browsing mode. To exit this mode, simply tap on the tabs icon and then select the option to close the private tabs. This small adjustment can make a big difference in your password saving capabilities. Now that we have addressed those settings, let's update your device. Go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to General again. From there, look for Software Update. Keeping your iPhone or iPad updated is vital for optimal performance and security. If an update is available, you will see an option to download and install it. Tap on that option and follow the on-screen instructions. This step can resolve many underlying issues, including problems with Safari not saving your passwords. Finally, after completing all the previous steps, try signing into the website you are having trouble with again. When prompted, make sure to save the password. This is the moment of truth. If everything is set correctly, Safari should now prompt you to save your password, allowing you to log in easily next time. Remember, some websites may prevent browsers from saving passwords. Therefore, if it does not work, it might be due to website restrictions rather than a problem with Safari itself. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the issue of Safari not saving your passwords. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.